Welcome to Mining Education. Today I am going to discuss about rock mechanics and its scope in GATE and other PSU examinations. चलो शुरू करते हैं. What is rock mechanics? Rock mechanics is a discipline that uses the principles of mechanics to describe the behavior of rock or rock-like materials. We well know that rock is not a man-made material, so it is not always continuous and we don't know its properties very well. So we cannot measure the properties of rocks using simple mechanics. Next, we are going to discuss about why we need to study rock mechanics, because rock mechanics knowledge is essential for the analysis of stress and strain experienced by a rock whenever an external force is applied. And other thing is to measure the stress around an underground opening. Whenever we excavate a rock for the purpose of construction of a tunnel, the rock undergoes deformation and we need to provide support to the rock, otherwise the rock will gonna fail. So to encounter that, we need to provide a proper support. For that we need to study rock mechanics. And also in slope stability studies, the knowledge of rock mechanics is essential in substance monitoring, then for the rock mass classification systems, and for the to measure the rock mass failure criteria. The knowledge of rock mechanics is gonna very essential. And next I am going to discuss about the scope of rock mechanics in GATE examination. You can see in 2007 around 13 questions out of 85 questions are from rock mechanics, and in the following years also numerous questions are from rock mechanics, and the average questions from rock mechanics I have calculated is around 9.07, so we can take that as 9. So around 9 questions out of 55, we can take this as 55, because around 10 questions will be from aptitude and reasoning and English. So out of 55 questions, almost 9 questions are from rock mechanics. So even though there were many questions coming from rock mechanics, but I didn't find many lectures on rock mechanics in YouTube. So I wish to start an YouTube channel so that I can post many videos of rock mechanics regarding the both concepts as well as the questions from the previous year GATE question papers. So what I am willing to do is to share my knowledge, as it will be helpful for me as well as for you guys. So please follow my channel for more videos in future. Thank you guys.